Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about account receivable. Account receivable is the amount owed to company resulting from the company providing goods and or service on credit. The term trade receivable is also used in place of account receivable. The amount that the company is on the record in its ledger's account titled account receivable. The unpaid balance in this account is reported as part of the current assets list on the company balance sheet. When goods are sold on credit, the seller is likely to be unsecured creditor of its customer. Therefore, the seller should be patient when selling goods on credit. Good accounting recording that an estimator should be made for any amount in account receivable that is unlikely to be correct. Account receivable is different from account payable. Account receivable is short-term current assets and take place as a result of credit sales, and the amount to be collected by the organization and lends to generate future cash inflow to the organization. Normally, the account receivable process have three steps. Step 1, send invoice, then track invoice and get paid. Do you know that account receivable and notice receivable? Sometimes people always mix them or misunderstanding. Account receivable is oral promise, and the notice receivable is writing promise. It's different. The account receivable turnover. Its duration shows how well a company uses and manages the credit it extends to customers and how quickly that short-term debt is collected or is paid. The receivable turnover ratio is also called the account receivable turnover ratio. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. I hope you find something interesting.